friends, as we are discussing the stages of money laundering, in my previous video I have explained you the concept of the stages itself, and today I am going to talk about the first stage of money laundering, and I am going to explain this particular stage by way of a simple story where I have few characters. The only difference in today's video is you have to close your eyes and you have to imagine those characters so that you understand the first stage of the money laundering completely. So let me start, and I am hoping your eyes are closed. So in my story, there is a person who is at its first floor of his house, and this particular person is carrying a very heavy bucket of water, and this water is up to the top of the bucket. And what he has to do? He has to carry this particular bucket in his garden, and this garden is at his ground floor. So from first floor to the ground floor, he has to carry this heavy bucket of water, and he has to plant and he has to give water to the plants. So imagine that the person is carrying and coming along with this heavy bucket of water from the stairs. Remember, there is no lift, so he is coming and he has to cross many stairs to reach his garden. So imagine all the risk he is carrying. He is carrying the risk of, number 1, water may fall down on the stairs. Number 2, he may fall down from the stairs. Okay, so these are the two major risks he is carrying. And after all these risks, he reaches to his garden at the ground floor. So as per your imagination, do you think he will start giving water to the plants, or he will take a small break by placing the bucket at a very safe place before he starts watering the plants? Yes, you are right. He will take a break and he will place the bucket at the safe place before he starts giving water to the plants. And what is his situation after keeping the bucket at the safe place in the garden? He is relieved, relaxed, because now he is not carrying those two risks. Now let us come back to the money laundering. In the money laundering, this particular person is a money launderer, and the bucket full of water is the black money which he is carrying. And the garden, which we just talked about, is the ecosystem, the financial system where he has to take the money. Remember the mission of this particular money launderer. The mission is to convert the black money into white money. So in my previous video, I have explained you that for making his mission achieve, he has to do lots of steps, and the first step is to bring the money back into the ecosystem. It means the first step is to place his money into the ecosystem or the financial system, maybe the banking industry, insurance industry, like this. It means in our story, the person who places the bucket at the entrance of his garden to take a relief, to take a break, is the first stage of the money launderer, which we call as placement. Which means the money launderer at its first stage of money laundering has to place his money, the black money which is carrying, into the financial system. And as in our example, this particular individual was carrying two risks. Similarly, The stage of placement is also quite vulnerable for the money launderer because they are also carrying such nature of risk being caught because they are in the custody of that particular black money. So are you clear? The first stage is the placement, which means placing the money into the financial system, and this financial system can be an insurance company, can be a banking company, can be a chit fund, and so on. So now come back and open your eyes. So in your imagination, somebody may have given a thought that this particular person is he or she himself. Nothing wrong in that, because if you really have to catch hold of the money launderer, you have to think like them, because then only it would be possible for you to be a successful compliance or the person who is working with an objective to stop money laundering. So at the first stage of the money laundering, which is placement, this individual places the money in this system maybe in a very different style, or like for example, if an insurance company has X amount of the limit over which they have to report, these individual may invest in insurance company below that particular threshold. Similarly, in the other industry or other organizations or other platforms of the financial system, these individuals who has their objective to place the money keeps their eyes open so that they don't get caught by the regulators. So that is why the placement is the stage of the money laundering which is vulnerable, and that is why it is, as compared to the other stages of the money laundering, is easy to catch. So keep your eyes open and see if any money launderer is using your platform, your organization, your financial system for the purpose of his mission. So this was the first stage of the money laundering. In my next video, I am going to talk about the second and the other stages of the money laundering. Till that time, keep happy, and if you have not subscribed my channel, do that. Thanks again.